a virus responsible for seasonal outbreaks, global pandemics, and millions of severe infections, continues evolving every year. Influenza viruses are segmented single-stranded RNA viruses belonging to the Orthomexoviridae family. The major human types are Influenza A and Influenza B. This unique segmented structure allows for significant genetic variation. Surface proteins play a critical role in how the virus identifies and enters human cells. Influenza spreads mainly through respiratory droplets produced during coughing, sneezing, or close contact with infected individuals. These particles can travel short distances and settle on surfaces. Understanding these pathways is key to prevention. After entering the respiratory tract, influenza infects epithelial cells lining the airways, triggering a cascade of biological responses. This process triggers inflammation and rapid immune activation as the body fights back. The virus turns our own cells into factories for its replication. This widespread infection leads to the characteristic symptoms of the flu. Influenza commonly causes fever, cough, sore throat, muscle aches, headache, fatigue, and chills. These symptoms are the body's way of signaling a severe infection. Severe infections may lead to pneumonia and respiratory failure. For vulnerable populations, these complications can be life-threatening. Influenza viruses mutate rapidly through processes known as antigenic drift and antigenic shift, allowing new strains to emerge continuously. This constant change makes it a moving target for our immune systems. Scientific surveillance tracks these changes in real time across the globe. Certain influenza strains have caused major pandemics throughout history, including the 1918 Spanish flu, one of the deadliest outbreaks ever recorded. These events remind us of the virus's potential for widespread devastation. The data reveals the immense scale of historical pandemics. Annual influenza vaccines help reduce severe disease and hospitalization by targeting predicted circulating strains. Antiviral medications may also reduce complications if given early. These tools strengthen our natural defenses against the infection. Widespread vaccination remains our most effective public health strategy. Influenza remains one of the most closely monitored viruses in global public health because of its ability to rapidly evolve and spread worldwide. Continuous laboratory monitoring allows us to stay one step ahead. Every piece of data contributes to our global preparedness. Influenza demonstrates how rapidly evolving viruses can repeatedly challenge humanity. Continuous surveillance, vaccination, and research remain essential for global protection. Together, we can build a safer, more resilient future.